Alright, so about to repot my Topsy-Turvy. So I wanted to bring you guys along. This is how it looks right now. Just redid these pots here. You can watch it in my YouTube shorts. So I repotted these. I potted those and placed them there. Now it's time to tackle this guy. And I think I'll be putting some of these potted plants. These are still in nursery containers. So I'm going to put some of these in there. And then we'll go from there. here's how it's looking right now. I think it looks pretty great. I was gonna put rocks in, but I'm probably not going to. I'm just gonna let the roots settle in. I'm gonna water it down, add those bags of rocks here, and then I will show you how it looks. And here's how my Topsy-Turvy came out. Took a little time. I left that plant growing like that because I thought it looked pretty cool. Here it is. Let me go a little bit closer for you. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.